TJSB Sahakari Bank is a multi-state bank having presence in Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh, 5 states, 136 branches and business mix of over 15,000 crores. At the same time, let me tell you on digital front, our count is increasing in a geometric progression and credit goes to our entire team.
I had a very short meeting with my electricity executive engineers just 2 days back, and I have made them my brand ambassadors with the help of TJSB Bank to see that many more banks in those particular areas where they are executive engineers to cover up the thing where we want to have an entire setup in Goa where people can go anywhere and pay. And I think they will be well connected with the staff of TJSB promoting this sort of a mechanism of payment. The second thing is our own Minskip, the startup company launched in Goa. Even them I have directed the Electricity Department executive engineers to have such people who will be entrepreneurs and have collection centers even in a small mobile shop or a small store or a big store or whatever store, which will be through the TJSB networking.
Relentlessly, we have been trying to make our services more and more customer friendly, improve our infrastructure, offer our services in a more customer friendly manner. Despite there being quite a number of challenges, we have been painstakingly trying to overcome each and every one of them and continue to provide the best possible services to our customers.